Shakiri of Iran. And even Jordan represented here with one of their best options for a medal, but he's already, unfortunately, gone down to Nasretdinov. That was Isakov of Jordan. Nasretdinov coming through that quarter-final to make the semis. Toktumambekov beating Daegil Han of the Republic of Korea. So Kyrgyzstan in the red, Uzbekistan in the blue. Toktumambekov, a U23 world silver and U23 Asian gold medalist from last year. The referee coming in to get things moving after the hand fighting, which was heavy, and Nasretdinov gets put on the activity clock.
So we still see here Toktumambekov owning the center of the mat, owning the hand fight. He's got that left hand on the collar, cycling his hands inside and out. With that hand fighting, you're thinking about like disrupting the vision and the body of your opponent. So we really see, you look at the way in which Nasretdinov's eyes are looking down, not able to get focused on where he wants to go. And that's a signal of really great hand fighting from Toktumambekov. Trying to get around, and he just takes him out of bounds for an additional 1 point step out. And we do see the end of the activity period for that additional one. So he's got 3 ones now, in the lead by 3.
Taking what he can out of this first round, Toktumambekov.
And a double overhook here from Nasretdinov. Trying to get his hips in to kind of maybe make some magic happen with an upper body attack, but Toktumambekov doing a great job of neutralizing. Little slide by to the takedown, going for the big gut wrench here, looking to elevate the hips of Nasretdinov to get around, not able to.
A good 3 minutes of work though from
preparation for the goal of the year, whether that's World Championships, U23 Worlds, Olympic Games. And oftentimes we also build in a quad plan, so a 4-year plan of what are the objectives and events that need to be taken care of and achieved as you build towards an ultimate goal.
Toktumambekov's all going to plan right now in this particular contest. 5-0 for the Kyrgyz wrestler. He's going to get another step out point here, surely. Goes all the way around for the takedown. It's even better. Dainty feet on the edge. Didn't manage to get the leg lace last time, and he just can't quite. Nasretdinov response.
And an interesting situation that we're about to see with the referees. So the on-mat official called the 2-point, go behind there, and then the 2-point reversal. But the on-mat official did not blow the whistle. However, the mat chair, who dictates the positions,
time go back to 2:23.
Okay.
Absolutely right, Erica Weeb.
So, challenge is won. They are putting time back on the board as well. So because there was a step out of bounds and then the on-mat official allowed time to continue, we're going back in time here, Jack. And the score is back to 5-1 for Nasretdinov. Still behind by 4.
Let's see, the winner is from Kazakhstan.
So it's interesting here. He comes in for this heavy collar tie. His head's buried in the chest of Toktumambekov. He's going to need to create space for himself if he wants to set up his attack. Here, Toktumambekov is regaining control in that underhook position, kind of using his strength and his weight to disrupt the position of Nasretdinov. And we're back in the zone. Nasruddinov has his two overhooks here. He's going to need to bring his hips in, come chest to chest if he wants to go for a big amplitude throw, but Toktomambetov is doing such a great job of with his right arm elevating his left. He was keeping the hips away. He comes in for a big throw though.
This 2 points becomes 4.
Great awareness here from Toktomambetov, dealing with this pressure of the double overhooks of Nasruddinov. He was pushing away, and then he said, bringing my hips in, I'm grabbing on and I'm going. The on-mat official put up the 2. The side judge put up the 4, and it was confirmed as a 4 on that action. And so we do see the additional point awarded for Toktomambetov. He's back in this position again, really working on that double overhook position, really trying to get his hips in. In this situation, you see Toktomambetov burying his head in the chest, really not letting Nasruddinov bring his hips underneath him and into the space of Toktomambetov.
It does need to be big throws from here for Nasruddinov. Short of scoring a pin on Toktomambetov. Last 10 seconds though. Toktomambetov staying firm, staying strong, and staying the course. Passage to the gold medal contest tonight for Orozobek Toktomambetov.